Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. Kindly follow me through these steps as I show you how you can reset your Tlink router to factory default. Do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Confirm you're connected to your network by going to Settings. Go to your browser, log in with your IP address, in my case it will be 192.168.0.1, input your password and username. Let's zoom out, slide to the menu bar, zoom in and click System Tools. Let's scroll down and click Factory Default. Zoom out so you can access the full page, hit the Restore button. A warning note will pop up, then you click OK. We have to wait for some couple of seconds for the reset process to be completed. Do well to like and subscribe. The reset process is completed and your device will be disconnected. Just to confirm that the router has reset properly, let's minimize, go to Wi-Fi section in Settings. As you can see, the Wi-Fi name has changed to the default. Let's connect and log in to confirm. Minimize and go back to your browser, log in with the default IP. Create a new password. I did a video on how you can configure your router as a wireless router, and it'll come up as end screen. Do watch to get imparted. As you can see, my device has reset to factory defaults.